What's up guys, in this video we will be talking about another project that you could also include when you do your own research. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is fetch.ai. Link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about this project right here. So infrastructure for smart autonomous services. With fetch.ai, you can build, you can deploy, and connect smart agents to automate Web3 systems and reinvent business models. And if you click on this one guys, yes, what you could see there is Get Wallet. So when you click on Get Wallet, it will actually let you download that extension so you could add that to your Chrome and utilize that as your wallet, just like the other software wallets out there like MetaMask and all those stuff. So this is one of those as well. So you build open services using automation and AI for travel, for predictions, for mobility, for supply chain, and for finance. And for deploy guys, deploy our unique agent-based technology to rapidly develop micro automations. And for connect, you could connect agents together to explore new business models. So for this one, you can make your own rules so agents learn, predict, and act to undertake meaningful tasks in the real world. So there are a lot of projects out there that are smart and also utilizes machine learning already. So this is one thing that you guys could go ahead and consider and see for yourself if this is something that would be beneficial for you. So agents, autonomous software code acting on the behalf of human organization or machine actors. You have agentverse, micro agents, and the autonomous economic agent framework agents. AI Fetch collaborative learning tech stack for decentralized machine learning. CoLearn, Axim, those are part of the ecosystem which I will be showing you later. And then Web3, you have the wallet and FetchD, source code for the validator nodes of the Fetch network. So for tools, you have CosmP and Genesis. All right, so ready to build on Fetch AI. So if you are a developer, I think this is a good opportunity for you. Get in touch with them and see for yourself what are the opportunities that are waiting that could, earn you a fortune, right? So next up, I would like to show you how you could get the FET token or the FET token. So if you click on use or hover your mouse on use, click on get FET. So get FET tokens. These are the exchanges, and as you can see guys, you have big exchanges right there. You have Coinbase, you have Binance, you have Crypto.com, KuCoin, MEXC Global, Gate.io, Kraken. There are a lot of exchanges that you could utilize, and it's all up to you on which exchange you would like to use for you to make your trades or get or buy your FET tokens. All right, next one would be the staking. So if you click on stake FET, so this is one way of you earning passive income by staking FET tokens. So earn semi-passive income by staking FET tokens, enabling a diverse and vibrant set of validators to maintain operations. In short, staking helps secure the network. So this is an integral part of maintaining the fetch.ai network. So native FET and Fetch wallet. So this is your wallet there. You could go ahead and click on download wallet extensions, the same as the one that I showed you earlier. If you click on this one, all right, so the FET wallet, it shows you this one as well. This is the one that I showed you in the beginning of the video, wherein you could also utilize the Fetch as your wallet instead of MetaMask or any other wallet out there. So next would be the ecosystem, which I mentioned earlier. So you have CoLearn. CoLearn is a blockchain-mediated collective learning system that enables multiple stakeholders to build a shared machine learning model. So if you click on that, it will take you directly to the CoLearn website, and you could learn more in here. All right, so next one would be Axim. It allows businesses to safely and securely connect data silos, improve their understanding via machine learning models, and gain valuable insights to help optimize their business functions without compromising any of their data privacy. So if you click on that again, this is the website of Axim. And again guys, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. That way you would understand a lot more about the potentials of this project right here. So you have Atomics. This is also the link going to that. You have Mobix, you have Catena X, you have Resonate, Starfleet, MetalX, Leap Wallet. Those are a lot of different projects that are a part of the ecosystem for the Fetch AI. All right. So now what makes Fetch.ai unique? All right. So Fetch.ai's utility token, which is the FET token, is designed to find, create, and deploy train digital twins, an essential part of smart contracts and oracles on the platform. So validation nodes are also enabled by staking FET tokens or FET tokens, which facilitates network validation and reputation as a result. So the Fetch.ai technology stack has 4 distinct elements. You have the digital twin framework, and you have the open economic framework, and the digital twin metropolis, and lastly the Fetch.ai blockchain, which combines multi-party cryptography and game theory in order to provide secure, censorship-resistant consensus, as well as a rapid chain syncing to support digital twin applications. All right, so that is Fetch.ai, guys. Again, I would strongly encourage you to do your own research. All the links that you need will be in the description of the video. And then lastly, I would like to quickly show you this one right here. So this is apex1.ai. We also created several other contents that talks more about apex1.ai. This is one good project that you could explore, guys. This is something that could get you more profit just by utilizing their smart farming. So this is apex1.ai, guys. This is the latest update that they have. So low touch client trading, apex1 AI 2.0 update. So I would strongly suggest, guys, that you visit this website. This is a good project that could earn you potential profits just by utilizing their smart AI. So update is Apex LTCT, low touch client trading, a new investment strategy that allows clients to access trading tools in the cryptocurrency market, minimizing the need for manual intervention. So security update as well. So we take all cybersecurity measure to protect you from all types of cyber attacks. Apex 2.0 is an improved protection of your personal data, and we also offer various features that help protect you in the online space. And then performance update as well. If you have questions, guys, you can utilize their 24/7 chat. It's at the bottom right corner of the website, so just behind my face cam. You can ask questions there. And again, guys, we created several contents that talks about apex1.ai more. Go ahead and check out our channel. If you're new to the channel, by the way, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.